So one of my favorite kind of weapons, this thing is a weapon, it's sharp, in the kitchen is the Vitamix blender. The Cadillac of blenders, guys. I mean, this gets the job done and some. You know, don't worry, if you don't want to buy the expensive one, they've got NutriBullets that are $100. But I love this thing because it can make so many different things. And so shakes are part of my daily life. We'll start with my base. So I do the Eden Soy unsweetened soy milk. Shout out to Gunner for this recommendation. I mean, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Literally, there's nothing bad in here. It's all healthy, all the vitamins and minerals. A lot of protein as well. And then I'll go with, I like Orgain protein. It's plant-based, it tastes good, it's got good quality ingredients. And so that'll be my protein on top of it. Talked about the apple cider vinegar. Gotta implement that. It's $6, why not? And then typically I'll throw in, a blueberry and then broccoli microgreens. These are really cool. They sell them at Harris Teeter. You can find them locally. And then kind of the OG of broccoli sprouts is the Sunny Creek that you can buy at Whole Foods. And literally I'll just throw this in and it doesn't throw the taste off. Trace minerals is another hit. That way you're replenishing a lot of your minerals that are, you need supplementation on. And that's really it. I'll throw some cinnamon in, experiment with a few things, but those are the core ingredients. I get that in my system every single day. Love the Vitamix, good ingredients, really nothing bad here. And then that keeps you fueling the engine.